in today's video we will see how to fix a Frigidaire dishwasher lights blinking, washing, clean and sanitize reset guide. So firstly you can simply see how to reset the dishwasher. So press cancel or drain button, then wait for the dishwasher to stop, then unplug it or turn off the breaker. After that wait 5 minutes, then turn the power back on. After that we will see door not closed properly. So in the fix 2 you can open the dishwasher door, then close it firmly until it click. Then start the wash cycle again. After that in fix 3 you can control lock is on. So press and hold the control lock or heat dryer. Then hold for 3 to 5 seconds and then check if blinking light stop. And at last we will see stuck button on control panel. So turn off power to the dishwasher. Then gently press each button once. Then restore power and test the panel. Goodbye.